Imagine a world where buildings design themselves. Could artificial intelligence revolutionize the field of architecture? As we journey into the future, the role of artificial intelligence in architecture is becoming increasingly evident. AI assists architects in creating designs that are more efficient, sustainable, and aesthetically pleasing. It's like having a tireless assistant that can crunch numbers, analyze data, and even suggest design tweaks in real time. Consider the concept of smart design. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play, analyzing countless design iterations and identifying the most efficient and effective solutions. It's about creating buildings that are not only beautiful but also eco-friendly and sustainable. Artificial intelligence can also predict future trends and preferences, incorporating them into designs today. This ensures that the buildings we create today will remain relevant and functional in the years to come. The future of architecture lies in the intelligent use of AI, leading us to a world where design is limited only by our imagination. One might ask, how can AI possibly contribute to architectural design? Let's explore a real-life example. Imagine a cityscape constantly evolving with buildings that are not just structures but living, breathing entities. That's the vision architects have for the future, and it's being made possible with the help of AI design. For instance, consider a recent project where AI played a pivotal role. A residential complex designed with the assistance of AI. In this project, the architects used AI to analyze a multitude of design possibilities. The AI system considered various factors, from environmental impact and structural integrity to aesthetic appeal and human comfort. It provided the architects with a range of optimized designs, each catering to different project priorities. This approach was a radical departure from traditional methods where architects had to painstakingly consider every variable. But the journey was not without its challenges. The architects had to find a balance between relying on the AI for design possibilities and implementing their creative vision. They also had to ensure that the AI suggestions were practical and could be built using current construction techniques. This required an iterative process where the architects and the AI worked together, refining designs until they found the perfect solution. The final outcome? A residential complex that is not just a marvel of architectural innovation, but also a testament to the power of AI in design. The complex boasts energy-efficient designs, optimal use of space, and structures that are in harmony with the surrounding environment. And all of this was achieved in a fraction of the time it would have taken using traditional design methods. So what does this AI case study tell us? It shows that AI can significantly enhance the architectural design process, helping architects to explore a vast number of possibilities in a way that was previously unimaginable. It's evidence that technology in architecture isn't just about fancy gadgets and flashy visuals. It's about harnessing the power of AI to create buildings that are smarter, more efficient, and more in tune with their environment. This case study illustrates just one of the numerous possibilities when AI and architecture intersect. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace architects, but to assist them to push the boundaries of what is possible. As we navigate through the 21st century, this statement rings truer than ever. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is emerging as a powerful tool in the realm of architecture, revolutionizing the way architects design, plan, and execute projects. By harnessing the power of AI, architects can now automate tedious tasks, freeing up time to focus on more creative aspects of their work. AI benefits include the ability to analyze complex data sets, predict trends, and generate design ideas, all of which can be instrumental in aiding architectural design and planning. Picture this: an architect is working on a high-rise building project. With AI, they can input data about the city, the client's requirements, and any other relevant factors. The AI system then uses this information to generate a range of design options. Not only does this speed up the initial design process, but it also allows architects to explore a greater number of possibilities. But it's not just about design. AI can also play a significant role in project execution. Machine learning algorithms can predict potential construction challenges, enabling architects and builders to proactively address issues and optimize the construction process. This can lead to more efficient projects and fewer unexpected setbacks. Of course, like any new technology, the integration of AI in architecture comes with its own set of challenges. There are concerns about data security and privacy, as well as the need for ongoing training to keep up with rapidly evolving AI technologies. However, with careful planning and management, these challenges can be mitigated. The future of design is here, and it's evident that AI is playing a key role. From streamlining design processes to predicting construction challenges, AI is transforming the way architects work. As we move forward, it's exciting to imagine what other innovations AI might bring to the architectural world. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that AI holds an influential role in shaping the future of architecture.